I hope you enjoyed the alt keys or the hotkeys. In this video, we are going to be looking at something called as the quick access bar, which is right here on top. This is not available in 2007 and 10. It is available from 2013 version onwards. What a quick access bar does is it kind of helps you to access any of these commands that's under any of these tabs quickly. That is what a quick access bar does. Let's assume you are somebody who maybe wants to check spelling frequently before sending the document, or you are somebody who inserts a lot of icons in your charts, or somebody who wants to add a lot of pictures into your workbook. So then I would recommend you to start using the access bar. How do we customize this? So let's assume now I want to add the spelling, I want to add insert pictures and insert icons to this quick access bar here. So this is the quick access bar right here on top. If you see, there is an option here which is customize access bar. So if I click on this, this is something that you can by default add, which is available quickly. So for example, email. If you are somebody who again wants to email the workbook directly, you can enable this option. And if you click on this, it kind of opens Outlook and attaches this file and sends. So I've not set up my Outlook on this system, so that is why you will see this. If you have Outlook already set up, then you will get an option to this Excel workbook is going to be directly attached to your Outlook mail. If I go back here, let's assume I want to enable the spelling. So that's already there here. I click on spelling, and if you see, the spelling option is come here. You can also see that when I hover on this, it is giving you the shortcut for this. That's another way for you to learn or and find out the different shortcuts. Now I want to add icons. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm somebody who adds icons. Then this is how we will do this. I go back here, click on more commands. Under more commands, if you see here, there is something called as popular commands. And if I want to add anything from those specific tabs, you can see that they have given all the different tabs here. I can add any from these tabs. Right now I'm just going to go popular commands and then scroll through these. If you see font color, we have the font itself, increase, insert picture. So that's something that I want to add. So I select this and click on add. So you will see that this comes here. And if you want to remove it, you will select that here and click on remove. Again, go back here, add it. I also wanted to add icons. So let me see if I can find icons. Insert icons. I don't see icons here. We have insert font size. Let me go to the insert tab, and from there let me see if we are able to find icons. So we have illustrations and insert icons, and I add them. And moment we click OK, you will see that here it gets added. Right now you will see that there is just the spelling and the mail along with the other ones. I'm going to click OK, and you will see now it is added. Now I can quickly add any icon that I want to my workbook just by clicking here instead of going to insert and then icon. So maybe I'll select this and insert. If if we had to do it the other way, the normal way, okay, I would go to insert, and under illustrations we have icons. So this is another way for you to access it. But by adding this to the quick access bar, you don't have to do this multiple clicks. You are able to access them directly. I would request you to add something to your quick access bar, and then I will see you in the next video.